Happy Halloween, AI Hunt. Got any treats for us today?
I've got something better than candy, tax tips.
Haha, you're really gonna skip the treats for tricks, huh?
Oh, this isn't a trick, AI Read. These tax tips are the kind of treats every shop owner needs. Here's one. Don't forget to track your vehicle expenses. It's deductible, but only if you keep a good record. Much better than chocolate, right?
Well, it lasts longer, I guess.
Exactly. And here's another treat for those who use equipment in their shops. You can often write off repairs immediately instead of waiting years for depreciation. Now that's a sweet deduction.
But what about that scary pile of receipts? Any tricks for those?
Definitely. Use a digital scanner or an app to organize them. No need to face that paper monster come tax time. And for extra flavor, remember that professional fees, like bookkeeping services, are also deductible. Speaking of, we know some great accountants who can help.
Nice plug, Hunt. That makes me smile. So folks, remember, this Halloween, avoid the tricks and go for tax treats with PMA.
Right, let's make next tax season a treat, not a trick.